Our cold brew recipe. Here are the instructions. Use 20 grams of fresh ground coffee, French press size preferable, and 160 grams of water. Bloom the grounds with 50 grams of boiling water, 93 to 96 Celsius, in 30 seconds. Check the jar to make sure the coffee is evenly wet.
Wow.
Then pour 110 grams of cold water and stir to mix it throughout. Seal with food grabber and close the lid. Put in the fridge immediately for about 16 to 17 hours. Then filter coffee through filter paper, for example, B60, what we recommend. Serve straight or on the rocks. Thank you.